Welcome to the Gen Z Cooking Challenge 2. Me and my good friend Grant spun a wheel and we must prepare a delectable meal for you today. I will be making the resound meal, fish and chips. It's gonna be good. Okay, the potatoes are gonna take the longest to cook. The fish will cook really fast, so I think I'm gonna make the potatoes first. I'm gonna skin them so they look nice and they're not dirty. And I just finished, so now I'm gonna go wash these off.
Yeah, Evan spun the wheel. Got fish off of Caleb. I heard he had fish and chips.
I heard they were good.
I heard, yeah, and I have French toast.
Let's get on.
Yeah, bread, that looks French, right?
Yeah, I guess so. We needed a croissant. Oh.
30 seconds, I don't know.
Yeah.
Elevator music, Evan, please.
My fingers accidentally covered the lens. I said I'd quit after the vlog.
Clean this up. The knife I will be using, hazelnut handle or walnut handle, Indian Damascus steel forged blade with this. How should I do this? Should I cut it in half and then? Okay, I should probably not use this knife. After I did my whole intro on the knife, it feels kind of weird because it really doesn't work.
Whoops. I'll clean that up.
I think that's good for now. Where's the oil?
I have a gift.
So what I'm gonna do now is just spray these pretty heavily with oil. You cannot have too much oil with fries. Right over the fries. Alright, now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I smell gas, is it okay?
Does that sound cooking it?
We start a timer for 10 minutes and then check on them and cook them and add more oil and stuff.
Okay, now you open that. Get the bread. Ow. So, too perfect this once. Couldn't add bread and eggs. That's work. I don't like doing work. No, it's French toast, but I've got some Italian seasoning. Italian toast, that sounds good, Evan?
That just sounds weird. Oh.
Ooh, smells good.
Oh, it does smell good, actually.
Italian toast. Everybody likes honey mustard.
Oh.
And that's how you do it. French toast. Tune in for episode 3, Oliver versus Hudson.
They're crispy. I make the chips. This is the fish part of the fish and chips. It's a mackerel fillet. It's pretty small, so I have a couple of them. Look at that. All that fish.
Oh, I don't know if I can see that.
Butter, butter, butter. Hopefully that melts. Come.
Wait, that's too much butter.
Everything's getting fishy. And I think I'm gonna flip this over. How hot is that pan? Yeah, you might have been right. That is a lot of butter. No, I'll put a fourth one in. I heard that keeping it simple is better than trying to overdo it, so just salt and pepper for now. In a pan, literally filled with butter. I just need the final finishing touch to make this meal perfect. Well, that's it. When life gives you lemons, you make fish and chips. Use this. Here you get this. We're gonna take all of our beautiful French fries. And I want this to be kind of separated. Because those are crispy. I don't want them to get too soggy. Look at the coloration now. That is good. Golden brown. Plateau.
He's killing with the Damascus steel.
To the side like that. Squeeze some more on top. Pepper for coloration and flavor. And then for the French fries, we're going to use some more salt. I've got some of this fancy green stuff.
Yeah, I'm sad to say yours actually looks better than mine. Ribbons.
I think it looks pretty good. Hold on. Smell it. That's actually.
French toast.